Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Glenmuir Close with this fabulous 4-bedroom terrace property laid over 3 floors. As you can see, it comes complete with a garage as well as off-road parking. Now to the ground floor, as we come in through the entrance hallway, we've got a guest WC just tucked away behind the door here, and then straight on in to the fitted kitchen and dining space. Overlooking the rear garden, French doors taking you straight out. It's a nice low maintenance garden which does benefit from the sun. So you've got a little paved seating area, lovely little bistro set, and then as you can see, the lawn with gated access to the rear. Gas hob, electric oven, space for your fridge freezer, as well as the washing machine and boiler just tucked away in the cupboard. Nice spacious entrance hall, and the guest WC just tucked away beneath the stairs. Now as we head up to the first floor, got a really generous sized lounge, lovely and bright, with the 2 windows overlooking the rear of the property, and you can see the gorgeous blossom tree there in the background, really naturally lit, and a nice generous space to work with. Also on this floor we have the guest bedroom, complete with ensuite bathroom and fitted closets, and then your second just tucked away behind the door, and in the centre your shower perfectly positioned there. So overlooking the front of the property, and then as we head up once more, 3 really generously sized bedrooms located on the second floor. Family bathroom, Jack and Jill into the larger of the 3 bedrooms up here. So your joining door into the bathroom there, overlooking the front once again with your off-road parking, and 2 really generous further doubles, both of which overlook the rear of the property. Now location wise, as I mentioned, we're over on Glenmuir Close, a lovely little quiet cul-de-sac tucked away, excellently located in regards to your local amenities. Fabulous connectivity into Salford Quays, Manchester, Urmston via the train, Liverpool, Warrington. But you've also got really good local schools on your doorstep as well. It's a fantastic family home, equally perfect for first-time buyers, for those wanting that additional space, maybe working from home, needing a home office. But it's coming to the market chain-free, lovely quiet cul-de-sac. If you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, give us a call on 0161 707 4900.